Hi! Hello everybody! Welcome back to another video. So today we will be unboxing for the last 5 months I haven't really had a good camera. This camera never focuses, and I'm guessing if I move 3 times like this it's gonna unfocus on me. And this camera is my mother's camera. The problem with it is it's an iPhone. She needs it. I can't always use it. That's why Saint Nicholas, or Santa, however you want to call him, brought me this. Do you know what this is, gamers? This is... Why am I saying this so dramatically? You know, my mind is kind of like... spin around all over the place. Because I have just came and I have also just come out of sleep. If you see my computer, Dream is playing on there. If you don't... Okay, here we have second cam. Hello, hello. And yeah, let's get into it. So I got 2 things. I didn't buy these. These cost way too much for me to actually buy these. You know, like... I barely have for an editing program. How would I buy this camera? It's really cool, whoever gave this to me. Whoever. My parents, of course. They're the one that have full control of me. And that's good. That's for a good thing. I'm gonna stop rambling now. And yeah, today we're gonna unbox it. So I got... whatever this is. I mean, I know what it is. It's like a small compartment. Do you know what the hell this is? I mean, it's for holding your camera, basically. It's like a... I have no idea what this is called. But you get the idea. You hold your camera on top of it, or you can place your camera higher up. And yeah, it's cool, but... yeah, and we're gonna unbox this first. Just so you know, I'm not an unboxing channel. I have no idea on what to do, and I just come from sleep, so this is going to be hard emotionally. Things here it is in all its glory, and in the box we also have this, and we also have this. But let's be honest, who needs these? Nobody uses these. Okay, I might need those, so I'm just gonna grab them back. Okay, I unboxed it. Here is the thing in all its glory. There aren't many things to put on it, but yeah, it looks cool. You can place your camera on top of it. You have all the buttons here, so you can take a photo, you can record a movie, the lock, and C1 for the C1 atom, or whatever that is, man. I'm so bad with chemistry. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to unplug it with 2 hands, man. I barely plug your ass. How am I gonna unplug that? This pouch, man, so we can carry this everywhere we go. The only problem with this pouch is that I hate this material, and it makes me go goosebumpy all over. I can always use this. Okay, I just found an Easter egg. It's a penny. Or something to open this shit up. Cool. I mean, not shit, like, this costs more than, I don't know, Nicholas on the black market, but still. Okay, and now we're on to the Sony-zv1. Oh yeah, I should probably show the box first. So here is that. Here is this side of the box. 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 I forgot to bring out a big lamp. Okay, here we are onto the camera. The Sony-zv1, if somebody is wondering. We open it. So this is just like this. And I don't know these names, okay? I've never actually opened a camera. I mean, I've opened one and it was this thing. But no hate on this camera. It can record underwater. If you would see all the things I did underwater. And inside we will find a big ass instruction. I like it. I love it. Okay, next. We open this up. Jesus Christ, what the hell is this? Should I open it like this or should I open it like this? I guess let's open it like this. I'm gonna show it to this camera. Camera 2! Yeah. So first of all we have the mic and I'm gonna show it to this camera. Cool mic with a cool fluffy cut. Second of all we have the cable. You like cables, Johnny? You like cables? It's a good cable. Third of all we have whatever it is. Okay, I should probably get out the camera now. Oh, it's big as hell. And we also have something left in the box, which is whatever this is. Oh, it's a battery. Okay, I'm a dumbass. Oh, it's a battery. Okay, I'm a dumbass. And those are all of the contents of the box. Again, big thanks to my sponsors who also gave me birth. How the hell do you close these? Honestly, I've always found opening so hard. Like I've tried to do an opening of the Nintendo Switch on this channel once. It's impossible. Now onto the unboxing of the camera. It is big, I can't lie, but it is also really cool looking. And I never expected it to be so beefy. I mean, this is this camera. Like, this one is beefy as hell. That's probably a good thing, if you think about it. Here we are with this. We open it up, and then we can rotate it, and I can start recording on it. Okay, after we open it and set it up, I'm gonna end all of this recording. And the footage cuts there. So I'm gonna explain it right now. Or finish the sentence that I wanted to say. Basically, I wanted to say that I'm gonna set this camera up. I'm gonna boot it up. I'm gonna put the battery in. And then I'm just gonna cut the video and meet you outside with the actual camera recording. But I guess this is your first glimpse of it and of its mic. Onto the video. Yeah, let me just put the battery in. How the hell do you put the battery in? Okay, I have found a secret compartment. It literally opens like... Okay. This is... See the problem? It won't focus. Like, see, my camera doesn't focus. Like, what camera doesn't focus if I move my hand back and forward? Okay, now how the hell do I put this battery in? Here we are outside with the camera on its mic. I hope this sounds good. It probably does. And I also hope it looks good. From the looks of it, I have a screen right there. It does. It focuses like a champ. Can move my hand to it. It's amazing, basically. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna take a stroll with it. I'm not gonna bring you guys along the journey. That sounded like such a big vlogger thing, didn't it? Oh shit. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. And do I like the camera? Yes, I love it. It has a mic. It records really well. The focus is just amazing. You know, I'm looking at the screen and it's looking extra spicy. And of course, if you haven't guessed it already, my future videos will be recorded with it. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I should have closed this door before I started recording. Goodbye.